Hello, this is Calvin's. This exam analysis system is meant for primary section all the way from baby to grade 9. So I just want to demonstrate how simple this system is to use. And again, this system is able to generate for you all the report cards for all the classes, all the streams. It's able to generate for you all the required analysis that you're able to use. So first of all, let me have the credential so that we're able to log in. Okay, so once you log in, now this is the dashboard. Very simple. So add the stream. You'll be able to add streams first. That's the first thing you do. So this way you will be directed. You come and add all the streams. So like for example here you can see PP1, PP2, PP1A, PP1B, PP2A, PP2B, then grade 3B. You can even add a grade 4, grade 4, for example, grade 4A, grade 4B. So all the streams in your school. If your school doesn't have stream, then instead of saying grade 4A, you just say grade 4. Okay, so that is how you'll be adding those streams. Then after adding streams, you'll be able to add the learners as well. And learners you'll add on the sheets. Very easy. Just come and add them here. So for example, Janet Chebet, then the class is in red. So this is for baby. This sheet is for baby. So baby red. Then blue. Another stream is there are only 2 streams in baby. So you can add. Just add direct. So let's say Jennifer. Holy. So that one is a student, is a learner. So the stream, you can say the stream it belongs to baby 1. Let me change this one also to the stream because the ones we have put baby 1 because we are in baby, this baby sheet. So baby 2, that this one also you can put in baby 2. So baby 2, you select baby 2. This one you can put in baby 2 as well. So you can see this baby class. Then so we have this stream and this stream. So that's how you'll be adding them. You go to PP1. PP1 the same thing. You add them like that. Then you add your streams. So like now we have PP1A. You can add PP1B. So let this one also be PP1A. Then these 2 you can put them in PP1B. So just like that, colleagues. Very simple, very simple. So with that, you've added the students in your streams. Okay, the students in your sheet. So you can go to PP2. So all the way, it goes all the way up to PP9, grade 9. All right. So grade 2, go to grade 2. This grade 2. Then we go to grade 3, up to grade 9. So I just want to demonstrate with maybe PP1. Okay, still will serve the purpose. So we add teachers because the teachers will appearing in the report card, for example. So these are teachers already in the system. So you can add more and more and more teachers. Can accommodate, I think 30 also. So go back to add class teachers. So class teachers, now you'll be able to add them very easily. These are the streams. So for example, PP1 class teacher, PP2, PP1 grade. This one you can add. For example, grade 2A, grade 2B, grade 2B. So those are the streams. We need to add the class teachers against them. So these are the class teachers for this particular streams. So it will depend with the number of streams in your school and then the number of teachers as well. So baby 1 we are selecting from the list because we already have a list of teachers. This is the list of teachers. Just select. Okay, so select appropriately. Then you can upload the signatures of those teachers for the purposes of putting on the report card. So you just click upload this one here, then you upload the signatures. So wherever you are keeping the signatures, just look for them wherever they are in that folder. Select the right signature, then you upload. So you upload for all them. Then the head teacher information is on this side. So the name of the head teacher is this. You put the name of the head teacher here. Okay. Then you upload the signature. You use this one to upload the signature of the head teacher. That signature will be there on the report card as well. So you select wherever it is. Right now I don't have the signatures. Okay. So you just select them. You upload. That's how you'll be setting up the teacher's details. Okay, that is class teacher, right? Then you need to add subjects. So here we have subjects that are being handled in, for example, in baby, PP1 and PP2. They may be the same. Then we also have some subjects handled in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. They may be the same. Then you go to grade 4, 5, and 6. And of course, there's grade 7, grade 8, and then grade 9. So just add the subjects they're supposed to be taking. This system is dynamic. So whichever subject you're adding here, it will be picked by the system. So let's say subject 1 is reading. So or something like that. I'm just demonstrating. So abbreviation, you can say reading. Okay, that can be reading. Let me say that's the abbreviation for reading. Then the subject, that is the subject name for that class. So you put the abbreviation and the subject name, abbreviation and the subject name until you shall have put all the subjects for all these grades. Okay. After that, you go back home. Then I wanted to demonstrate with, for example, baby. Let me just demonstrate with baby. So let me say maths, just demonstrating. Then mathematics. Then the other subject is maybe science. Maybe the baby class is not taking science, but this one is just demonstration. Then science. Then we have maybe social studies. Okay, social studies. We have maybe maybe home science. Just demonstration. You will put yours, which are the right one. This ones are mine. You find they are not even being taken in baby. I know that not being taken in baby. So, and then you do that one across. Okay. So then we go back. So now we've added subjects. Now we are able now to put the marks. So you come here, mark entry with baby. So when you go to baby, you will find that you have a list here. Already you put the names and then the streams. So reading, you can see the subjects. It's dynamic. It has picked the subjects we put for baby: reading, mathematics, science, social studies, home science. Okay. Then you still have room to add subjects. Then those are the averages. So you will add marks. For example, 50 there, 45. So you just add like that. Maybe 96. So, and then let's say home science getting 45. So those are the subjects. So you can see the scores already there. Then you can add for this one also 66, 78, 21. Okay, like that. So you're able to see that already that there's certain grading here already happening. So like if you look at baby one, in this baby one, this position 1, this position 2 in baby 1. When you look at baby 2, you'll find that in baby 2 already in that stream ranking has happened 1, 2, 3 in baby 2. So as you put the marks, it is ranking the streams. It is ranking the students in those streams in the same sheet here. Okay, and that is how it is across. So we go back now. We have entered marks. So now after entry of marks, now you proceed to analysis. So your entry of mark will proceed up to grade 9, right? Then now you proceed to analysis here. So you can actually you can generate merit lists. So you come here, you generate merit list for baby. So this is the overall merit list for baby, okay, with overall position and class position. So when you look at it, you'll see that the ranking has happened here. Overall position, this is the for overall or overally, position 1, position 2, 3, 4, 5. But when you look at the class position, it means, for example, this child here is position 1 in baby 2, and position 2 is here for baby 2. Then this child here is position 1 in baby 1, position 3 in baby 2, position 2 in baby 1, okay? This is position 3 in baby 2, alright? So it is ranking twice for the overall and then the class position. So let us go back home. So you're able to print that one. By the way, you can print, just print. So if you want to print, you can just generate to print to PDF if you like. You can print to PDF. Then you can call it maybe baby. Then you can save. Then you can view. So this is the sheet. You can view it. It's very nice. Okay. So you can print that one. Then you can also print to, if you are connected to printer, just pick this one, then it will connect, it will print the current printer, okay? So let us go back home. That's how you'll be generating the broadsheet or merit list. Then you go up to grade 9, all right? Then subject ranking for baby. We are using baby to demonstrate. So for baby, this is how the subjects have been ranked. Remember, these are the subjects: reading, mathematics, science, social study, home science, the ones we have put. So they have been ranked here. You can see their ranks. Okay. So you can print. Let us go back home. Again, you are able, I forgot to upload the school logo. Let me upload the school logo. So you can upload the school logo here, upload the logo. So for you to upload the logo, there must be some logo you have put in your computer, maybe in a folder, particular folder. Like these are my logos. Let me go with this one. So when you upload, it will feature in all the documents that you will be generating from this system. So even when you go to subject ranking, let me take you back to subject ranking. You will see the new logo here. Very nice. So you can print. If you connected to printer, you can print preview. If you want to print preview, there it is. Print preview. Very nice. Okay. Or you can print, if you're connected to printer, just click this one, then you get it printed. Let us go back home. That is subject ranking baby. Then you can also look at subject champions baby. Subject champions baby. Okay, so here you'll find that in reading, Jennifer Coley was the best with 66, and the class position is 5. In mathematics, Janet Shepard was the best with 84, position 1 in class. Science, Jebed, so social studies, Triza, home science, Lamek, and these are the scores, these are the class positions, and you can actually print and also print preview. The logo is well displayed there, so that is very nice. Okay, so that is class subject ranking. So when you go back home, you go to the next analysis, the next type of analysis, which is report card. But before we go to report card, there's something very important, that when you have the photos of your girls or your boys or your students, you need to upload them so that they feature in the report card. So for example, baby, I don't have, okay, I can use even those ones. Okay, let me use something else, though they are not photos of the pupils, but they are just for demonstration. So for example, we have 1, 2, 3, we have 5. So one precaution that you need to take is that when you are uploading photos, the number of students in that class should be equal to the number of photos you are uploading, and they should be named using admission numbers. So we are selecting, we can have those ones. Okay, can have those ones. So those ones, because we have 5 students in that class, we need, there are 5 photos. So you just open, then it will tell you here that process completed, upload successful, and you can see the photos of the children already on the sheet there. Put OK. So that means when we'll be generating report. Okay, now you can see the class teacher here for baby 2 is actually Okach J. When you change the student, maybe we go to treat association, the stream is still baby 2, the class is still Okach. Then we go to maybe Ngeno, stream is still baby 2, class teacher the same. Which one? Kohli. Let us try that one. We see if the class. Okay, this one is now baby 1. The class teacher also has changed. So this one is dynamic like that. So you can print all the report cards in bulk. If you are connected to printer, just print in bulk so that they come at once from the printer. You will be able to pick them from there. Okay. So the report card is very nice, and see, it's very, very nice. So we go back home. So that is what you were able to actually do for you to come up with all the report cards and all the other analysis that you require for better decision making in terms of performance of your students. So that is all. If at all you want to maybe set the next term fee, you will be able to do it here. So here you can next term fee you can set, then it will be featuring in all the report cards as required. So next term fee payable baby up to grade 9, you just set them here. Then maybe the other charges you can put them here, then you save. They will be used on the report card. All right. Then you can also set exam and term dates here. Maybe the name of that particular exam, you can put them here, the year, the term, opening dates. Those will be very vital when it comes to report card generation. So you can also send SMS to the parents. You just add the phone numbers. After adding the phone numbers, you will have to set the SMS setup here. Okay, you put the access token and device ID. That one you'll be able to get them direct from your push bullet website. Just click here, it will lead you to the right place. You take the token, you copy, you put here device ID that you'll be using. That is that mobile number, the mobile device you have. Put the ID here. Okay, then you'll be able to have set up your SMS module so that you're able to send SMSs. Then from here you will be able to send SMS on performance of these particular pupils to the parents. Okay, colleague, that's how you use this particular system. In case you have a problem, in case you have a question, just consult me. I'll be able to chip in and help very, very fast. Otherwise, thank you. May God help you abundantly.